What's going on, guys? Squirrely here, and we're here back with another What's going on, guys? Second time I'm trying to do this, and my cat keeps pulling the damn cord.
6.5 hours later.
What's going on, guys? Squirrely here, and we're going to be doing a review on this guy right here, the T20 Pro single-handed gaming keypad by NPET. I'm calling it NPET. It's probably NPET. NPET. I don't know what it's called, but it is here from Amazon today. It came in a package that my cat stole the package right there. And yeah, let's get into it. So I already had opened it because during the process of shaking the package, I heard something jingling around. So I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't broken before I even made this thing and felt like a dumbass. So it isn't broken though. Comes with the manual. Let's put that right there. And it comes with a thank you for purchasing from NPET. Register and warranty at npet.com. Share and connect with us on social. Are you satisfied or unsatisfied? We're about to find out. There you go, that's there. And now for the prize possession. Oh, see, look, it already fell out. This thing is to pull out the keys. Oh, I'm already dropping it. You pull out the keys with it, push down, pull them out, and then you just slap them back in somehow. There you go. You slap them back in. Actually, the button presses are actually pretty smooth. I'm actually satisfied with that. It's not like fantastically like cushioned right here, but it has a smooth surface, a really smooth, slick surface. Let's see what it says. 38 fully programmable keys, customizable RGB lighting effects, soft rubber, anti-fatigue palm rest, and it's USB. Yeah, whatever. We all know about that stuff. Cord is about 4.5 feet long. USB. The wire is no typical, just regular wire, you know. Let's plug it in and see what it does. Alright, at first you see, my first thing was the lighting, the RGBs. Then it was these buttons right here. I do know FN and this changes all the modes. Oh, that's cool. So it goes by my key press. That's awesome. And then there's this one, which is a fade, slow fade. And there's that one. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little Knight Rider thing. Now this one is more like a same thing, kind of, but faster, it feels like. Okay, so that one goes in and then goes back. That's pretty cool. This one, it's like a fading, kind of single color. So yeah, then it's So this one changes just the color itself. If you wanted just a single color, which is pretty cool. This one turns it off. This one, I don't know what that one does. So let's go to that one. Let's go one you guys can see. Let's see that one. Okay, so this one fades it. You can turn it up and down on the thing, and that one turns it off. So that's pretty cool. It does have lightings on the side. Does it have lighting on the back? No, no lighting on the back. It's fairly decent on weight, so it won't be sliding everywhere on you. It kind of sticks to that. Again, it's very affordable for people that are beginners or just looking for something cheap, so don't have to spend a lot of money on great quality products. I rate this a good, especially the way the keys feel, a good probably 6-7 out of 10. These 3 keys are programmable for anything, whatever part of your game you want to program them to. I actually really like this. This will be my first one I'm getting though. I have done different reviews on a different channel on different ones, but gave them away. This one I actually think I'm keeping. It's actually pretty good. I like it. I'll do another video on it and see how it actually does in the gaming process itself. But so far the buttons do feel good. Again, one-handed gaming keypad Pro T20 series, just like the one here. And yeah, I'm digging it. I can't wait to start using it in a little bit. It goes along with my mouse that I gotten for $5. Yes, I do have other great quality items like microphones. I have a couple microphones. I have my iPads up here, my tablets, 2 screens and whatnot. My Elgato. Switching over to this now. I don't know where I'm going to put my keyboard now. I'll probably put it on this side, keyboard this side, next to my mouse, or I don't know. Don't know how I'm going to do it. I got more lighting there, I got more lighting here now. I got lighting everywhere. But I had to unplug it just so I could plug this in. Meow. Yeah. Try it out, guys. I mean, I like it, to be honest. Worth the money. $16.99 off of Amazon. I think it's well worth the money for this thing. And I believe, yes, it does. There you go. These 2 right here, these are drainage holes for if you do end up happening to spill something on it, you will have the 2 holes to drain it. It'll drain onto your table, which is awesome. So I mean, it comes with a lot of little features on it for the price, you know. Hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments. See what you guys think about it. Don't forget, if you haven't already, follow, subscribe, comment, hit those reactions, and I'll see you guys later. Remember, keep it squirrely.